Writer Review: How to Create Quality Content. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you about Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content within seconds. The link for Rytr is given in the description down below. You will get to this platform right here and then you can get started. Rytr is an easy-to-use tool for writing blogs, articles, product descriptions, and getting started on scripts. With Rytr, you no longer have to stare at a blank page trying to figure out how to start a topic. Rytr helps you save time by generating high-quality content in seconds. You can also save your money because with Rytr, you don't have to hire expensive writers, and you can do your writing yourself using Rytr. It has all the features and tools for you to help you create quality content for your blogs and channels. You can also generate business ideas, create presentations, and more. Use cases. Rytr is an AI writer that lets you automatically generate high-quality content for various use cases. You can write your own blog ideas and outlines. You can write engaging introduction and section paragraphs for your blogs. You can use AI to come up with creative and quirky, catchy names for your brand or business. You can create your own pitch for your business. Then you can find unique startup ideas. You can also let AI come up with creative and high converting CTAs for your ads. You can also use Rytr for copywriting, writing your emails and email marketing campaigns, writing creative and original advertisement copies for Facebook, Twitter, and other social media. You can also write creative and original advertisement copies for responsive Google Ads, create engaging job descriptions. Then you can also create your own service, profile bios, and write product reviews. We can also write song lyrics using Rytr. Rytr is an all-in-one platform with all of these different use cases that you can use. So if you are a blogger, then you can use Rytr for your blogs. If you have a YouTube channel, then you can use Rytr for your video descriptions. If you are into business, you can generate ideas and pitch using Rytr. So Rytr is all-in-one platform that helps you create high-quality content. Benefits and features. If you are tired of dealing with gazillion apps in your writing workflow, then Rytr allows you to do everything in one place. There is no more juggling with tools for SEO, grammar while writing. Rytr gives you all of these different tools and is very easy to use. You can save time and money using Rytr. With Rytr, we get our own SEO analyzer to find the optimal keywords and write a well-written content brief. It also helps us improve the SEO of our content. Rytr is fast, responsive, and mobile-friendly to stay on top of things. We can also connect our Rytr to our WordPress and Shopify. That helps us get more productive and customize our Rytr experience. We can also use Rytr API to integrate into your existing apps and get content on the fly. Using Rytr, we can choose from 30 plus languages to write in our own language or other languages for our clients. Write anything with the right emotion through 50 plus tones of voices. With Rytr, we also get a grammar check and spelling check so that we don't have any mistake in our content. We also get a browser extension on Rytr. We can integrate our Gmail, Slack, Google Docs, WordPress, and social media to our Rytr so that we can directly add our content right here on our websites, and it will save a lot of time for us and we don't have to juggle between different applications. So Rytr is an amazing platform that helps you get productive, save time, and create high-quality SEO-friendly content within just one application. So if you want to get your own Rytr, the link will be given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will get right here and you can get started. Pricing plans. With Rytr, we get 3 pricing plans, and let me show you so we will have an idea about the affordability of the platform. So the first plan is actually completely free, and we can generate up to 5,000 characters per month. We have access to 30 plus use cases, 30 plus languages, and 20 plus tones. So it is going to be completely free. The next plan is actually a saver plan that allows us to generate up to 50k characters per month, access to 30 plus use cases, 30 plus languages, access to 20 plus tones, and we can also create our own custom use case, and it is going to be $9 per month. And if you go for a yearly plan, then it is going to be $90 per year, and you will be actually getting 2 months free. So that is actually pretty amazing, because you can see right here it's $9 for 1 month, and then for 12 months it is just $90. So we are getting 2 months completely free. There is no charge for that. So if you go with this plan right here, you can simply go ahead and save up to $18. And then we have an unlimited plan, which is going to be $29 per month, and it is going to be $290 per year. And again, we are saving 2 months. We are actually getting 2 months completely free. To subscribe to any of these plans, you can simply go ahead and check out these plans and get your own plan right now by clicking on the link given in the description down below. Simply go ahead and check the link, and you will be able to get your own plan right here, and you will get 2 months free if you click on the link given in the description down below and sign up for any of the plans right here. How to use. Once we sign up for Rytr, this is where we get, this is our home, and in home we have our history option right here. We have our account. We will be able to select language from here, and we can select from 20 plus languages. We have Chinese, German, and other languages right here. Then we have select tone option that allows us to select different tones such as informative. Then we have critical, humorous, whatever tone you want to go for, you will be able to select from here. Then we choose a use case, what we want to create. For example, we can create a blog idea, an email, job description, product review, profile bio, SEO meta title, video description, and more. We simply add the description for our video in here. We can also select number of variants. If you're looking for more than 1 variants, then Rytr will create up to 3 variants for you. We also have our own creativity level, and you can select from factual to less factuals as well. And you can select from more factual to less factual. This is where you will find all of your previous work. We can add favorites from here. Then we have new folders where I can create different folders and add different blogs and ideas into one. This is the new document option that allows us to create a brand new document. So let's go ahead and create a new document. Enter your document name. So I am going to be writing a blog. Let's call it test blog. Click on create. And now this is where I will be writing my blog. We have all of the basic tools right here, such as making the text bold, and we have alignment, we have add image option, all of the headings and such. We will be able to check the words and characters right here. So let's start with our blog. What you have to do is simply select a language. So let's go with English. Now, I want my tone to be informative. Next, I will select blog from here and add my primary keywords. You can add up to 100 keywords right here. So I will simply go ahead and add keywords for my blog that I am creating. Once you have added your primary keywords, then you will select variants. So I will go with 2 variants from here, and the creativity level is going to be optimal. Click on Write for Me. And there you go. Within seconds, I have my blog outlined. I added keywords for my travel blog, and you can see right here, this is all written by Rytr. And I have all of these amazing ideas that I can go for. For example, 25 places to travel and 5 countries to travel, all of these different ideas. Now I can simply go ahead and start writing with any of these. So I got my introduction right here, and I have all of these keywords as well. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and start writing. You will write your blog right here, and Rytr will assist you. Now I can simply go ahead and select any of the text. Once we select a text, then we get more options, such as command, improve, rephrase, paragraph, and continue writing. So if I want to rephrase these sentences right here, I will simply click on this option. And now you can see the lines are rephrased. Similarly, I can select any of the heading. Let's go with this one. And if I click on paragraph, then this heading will be converted into a paragraph, and a paragraph will be generated. There you go. Now we have our own paragraph, and similarly I can select and rephrase, improve, and command. We can check our words right here. You can see 558 and characters that are included in the blog. Once you're done, you simply click on these 3 dots right here, and then we can simply download our document. We can download it as a docs or as an HTML. We can also delete it or maybe clear all content. For now, we will simply click on download as document, and it will be downloaded. Or you can simply go back and it will take you to your other documents. Now let's go ahead and write video description for my YouTube channel. So again, we are in our editor. This time I will again select the language English. Or maybe we can go with more than one languages too, in different variants. How we can do that? Let me show you. So for my video description, I am going with a formal tone. And from use cases, I will select video description. Simply type in the words. So this is the idea that I have in mind. For variants, I'm going with 3. Creativity is going to be again optimal, and I will click on write for me. And this is how you will be able to get your own description from Rytr. Once you're done, you will again click on save, and now you have your own business ideas, your own blogs, and your video description using Rytr. Similarly, you can go with any of these use cases and use Rytr the way you want to. We also get an account option right here, and in here we will be able to check our stats. And we don't have to go to any other platform. And you can see by creating these documents, I have saved 3 hours and money is also saved. And that is how Rytr helps us get the stats that we want to and create the content that we like. And like this, we can create high quality content using Rytr. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Rytr to create high quality content within seconds. So the link for Rytr is given in the description down below. Click on the link right now and get your own free trial with Rytr and enjoy all of these amazing features and tools. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.